Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Tony Accuse, and we wanted to show you a piece of equipment that we have in stock. We have an Elliott M43, and it's built on a 2018 Ford F550 chassis. It has a 6.7 power stroke turbo diesel motor in it. And let's take a quick walk around of the truck, and I'll show you all the key points that it has. So if you're not familiar with an M43, it has a 48-foot working height. The truck has a nice walkway over to the platform. The platform capacity is 500 pounds. The front and rear outriggers are the A-style outriggers. There's the storage blocks in the back over here. And it has some shocks on it, so the door nut comes down nice and slowly for you, easy. And the storage box up here has two locking handles that hold it secure. This particular truck has a steel bed on it, and it has a grip top deck coating on it for safety. It's nice and grippy, so it'll help to guard against slipping. It also has some rails on both sides to tie down any materials you would need to tie down to the bed. So if we cruise around to the back, all the controls are on the back for the outriggers on the left and also to the right. To access the platform, there's a couple steps right here and two grab handles, so you can easily go up the steps, make your way over to the ladder, and there's a walkway that goes over to the platform. There's also a handrail right here to hang on to as you make your way over to the platform. The truck also has a 2,000-pound planetary winch, and it comes with a 500-pound jib as well. There's also an additional storage box under the platform on the passenger side of the vehicle, just like on the driver's side. And there's a main storage box on top of the platform that runs all the way across. And you can access it from both sides. So if you're interested in the M43, our website is cuseequip.com. It's right in the video. We can be contacted at 800-258-1010 and contact us for a quote. We can get a quote out to you, and one of our sales reps will be in touch. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.